Today we're gonna be taking apart an exhaust. We're replacing the engine on this Honda Pilot. So the exhaust nuts are really rusted in. So the only way to take them apart is with the torches. You know, you gotta hit them really good. Hit them, put it like cherry red, and then hit them with the impact. We're gonna use a cordless impact and just run the nuts down. So we just wanna show you how it's done, okay? So you see how the nuts are really rusted, you know, and if you try to take them out just like that, they will break or they will just strip, and then you won't be able to take it apart. All right, friends, you want to make sure your torch set is set, the acetylene is set to 5 psi. You see right here in the gauges, this one, the acetylene should be in 5 psi and the oxygen 40 psi. So when I have the torch running right now, and you can see how it is, the acetylene is in 5 and the oxygen 40. Very important. See? There you have it. All right, friends, now we got it open now. We took all the bolts out. Let me show you. Here. See, you got 1, 2, 3 here. Then you got 1, 2, 3 up here, and then you got 1, 2, and 3. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it helped you some way, and if you like it, please give us some likes and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. All right, thank you.